Hi crafty folks, Amy here, and you guessed it, I have the October release from A Colorful Life Designs. So I'm going to go through all these goodies for this month's release, and then I will link everything below in the video description box if you want to check it out. And just remember, I do have a coupon, AmyFan10, so if you shop, you'll save 10% on your complete order. So when you order, it will come in a mailer like you just saw, most likely, and it will come in a manila folder. Get some little free blingage. I'm just going to open this up and then I'll go through one by one all the items of this release. So to start, I have a couple 3x6. There's lots of seasonal holiday stuff in this release, so really excited. It's kind of getting me in the spirit to make some Christmas cards. So I got Beautiful Rays and Tall Skinny Tree. These are 3x6. Okay, super cool. This obviously could be holiday, could be winterish, could be year-round. So that's what's cool. Same thing here, honestly. I mean, it doesn't have to be a Christmas tree. So there's those two. A fun layered one here. I'll show you this. How cute is it? Look at their little faces. Okay, so if it's more than one piece, like if it's a masking stencil or if it's a layering stencil, then it will come in its own little sleeve like this. Otherwise, Mary Kay at A Colorful Life Designs is consciously trying to cut down on plastic waste. So that's why if it doesn't have multiple pieces, it won't be in a little plastic envelope like that. Okay, so here's this layer where you could do the little black elements for the little coal on the, or not coal, I'm thinking snowman. What is going on? Okay, so whatever color buttons and face you want to put on the little gingerbread man. I'm still thinking probably black, but anyway, cute little gingerbread men. Yeah, gingerbread men 1, layered gingerbread men 2. Okay, this one I'm really excited about. She has a bunch in the shop of these gorgeous snowflakes, and if you've watched any of my prior videos, you know I love making holiday cards with these. So very exciting, great for winter. But honestly, they're just so pretty. And look, you get the outer and the inner portion, so you can kind of switch up the look, change it with some masking. This is called Fetching Snowflake. So how beautiful is that? This is one of my favorites so far. Very pretty. Excited to play with that. Probably batch a bunch with that. Okay, this one. Ooh, lots of little pieces parts. I'm not even going to take this out. This is called 12 Square Shadow. So I could see myself making a plaid out of this. You can mask off whatever little squares you want. Maybe like leave one totally masked off and put like a little critter in it or something. So lots of fun options with this, or just use part of it. Or you could just put pixie spray on the squares and then mask off white on your card panel and then just ink blend around it. So lots of fun ideas there. Same sort of concept here. We have 12 circle shadow. So you have 12 square shadow and 12 circle shadow. So this would be fun. You could make like a, what is that game where you put in the the red and the yellow? Connect 4. Yeah, you could make this like a Connect 4 card or something. It'd be fun. Just different looks for that. Okay, this layered elf hat. How cute is this? You can see it's got, I'll open it up because it might not be the most clear on the footage. Look at this. So you got layered elf hat 1 and layered elf hat 2. Ooh, this you could use as a crown on its own. So see, it masks off, so you can kind of do some clever ink blending there. This one I'm very excited about. Look at this. It says Merry Christmas all the way across it, and there's these fun little stars above the eyes. So super, super cute. I love that. Okay, and this one, candy stripes. Again, I'm thinking plaid. Turn it different ways, get different looks. Or you could, you know, put your paper through it and just get some of the strips that you want. That kind of thing. All right, and then we got, oh, this one's super cute. All over trees. So make a nice colored green background. I suppose you can make your trees whatever color you want. These happy little trees, they could be any color. Okay, this you have fluttering snow. How fun is that? So again, this could be seasonal, or I see like year round. This almost looks like mid-century modern starburst or something like that. So I feel, whoop, that was a little crazy. I really enjoy this one. I think this is very unique looking. Okay, this one, Scandinavian flowers. I think she's got a couple other stencils that have kind of the Scandinavian look, like a quilt and then maybe another one if I'm not mistaken, but very cool kind of design. All right, this one definitely could be year-round. Stick wreath. I love any of the wreath sort of stencils because it just creates such a easy eye path to draw your eye into your focal point, whether it's a sentiment or a critter or both. And this is just fun. Or maybe you could do this as like the stems, and then if you had like flower die cuts or something, or little like paper flowers, you could put them all over your card. So that would be a fun way to use that. Another one that's great has the sentiment built in. Meet me under the mistletoe. So I'll get the card base out here a second and show you. Don't mind me struggling with my drawers there. Show you the size of this. So this would be a nice imposing size all over the front here. Okay. And then, we have dotty trees. How cute is that? That's a 6x6. Oh, this is so cute. Cheery snowman. Here's the snowman. So this is, again, nice focal point right on the front of your card. Super, super cute. Okay, then we have, flurries. Again, this is totally year-round usage sort of stencil. It's got kind of a retro feel. I really like it. This one is gorgeous. Beautiful poinsettia. Look at that. So pretty. Use part of it or use it on a bigger card. Gorgeous. I love that. Okay, then I got a couple 6x9. I have Radiant Star. Look at that. Again, totally could be seasonal or not. And Feather Fire. So these are 6x9. Great for gel plates, but honestly all of them are. And then last but not least, check this out. Spread Love. So this is a full-size stamp set. This is the first one this big that she's sold in the shop. So this is exciting. This is, I don't know what size would they call. I think they've called this just a 4x6 stamp. But look, Spread Love, Merry Christmas. Look at this cute little Santa, snowman, and reindeer. Kind of whimsy and fun. Got some other little design elements. So super cute. Can't wait to play with these and mix and match and have a go. So be sure to check out the release. Like I said, I'll link everything below. Use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save 10% on your complete order. Unless you want to save 20%, and then you can't use my coupon, but you don't need it because it's 20% off and you can get the entire collection for a 20% off discount with the Master Creator Bundle. And that will be linked as well below. So please follow my link. If you decide to get that, I will get credit for it and it does help me out. So also please hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And I will be sharing projects of all the things that I make with this release throughout the month of October. I'll create a playlist that I will also link below. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll catch you next time.